Looking for a walk-in level condo with a view? Near Branson, overlooking Lake TaneyCoMo and one of 3 pools, is this 2-bedroom unit that is move-in ready, complete with furniture. Spacious floor plan with a relaxing vibe invites you to enjoy live weather inside or outside on the back deck with comfy rocker chairs and pull-down shades for late afternoon sun. The cook of the home will enjoy the counter space and cabinets while cooking for 1, 2, 3 or more. Split floor plan allows for privacy between 2-bedroom en suites, complete with rain shower head and handicap railing. Enjoy the soaker tub in the master bath after a day at the lake. This property has a designated main level parking space in addition to a 1-car garage on the mezzanine level, and if that is not enough,